The Great Wall of China is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. It is a vast network of walls and fortifications, stretching for thousands of miles across northern China. The wall is a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the Chinese people. It has stood for centuries as a symbol of China's strength and resilience. The Great Wall is not just one wall, but a series of walls built over many centuries. It was constantly being extended, rebuilt and modified. The wall we see today is mostly from the Ming Dynasty, which spanned from 1368 to 1644. It is this section with its iconic watchtowers that captures the imagination of visitors from around the globe. The Great Wall was built to protect China from invaders. For centuries, nomadic tribes from the north had threatened Chinese settlements. The wall was a way to control the movement of people and goods across the border. It provided a defensive position for Chinese soldiers. Construction began during the Warring States period from 475 to 221 BC. This era saw intense conflict between different Chinese kingdoms. Each ruler sought to protect their territory, and walls were a common defensive strategy. Over time, these walls were connected and extended. Building the Great Wall was a massive undertaking. It took millions of workers hundreds of years to complete. The wall was built from a variety of materials, including earth, stone, and brick. Workers used simple tools and their bare hands for much of the construction. The wall stretches over 13,000 miles or 21,000 kilometers. That's like going from New York City to Los Angeles and back twice. It is the longest man-made structure in the world. The wall's average height is 20 to 26 feet, or 6 to 8 meters. Some sections are wide enough for chariots to ride along the top. The Great Wall is more than just a physical barrier. It is a powerful symbol of Chinese culture. The wall represents the strength and unity of the Chinese people. It is a reminder of the importance of protecting one's homeland. The wall has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and musicians. Its image appears in countless works of art. The wall is a popular tourist destination. People from all over the world come to see this amazing feat of engineering. Many stories and myths surround the Great Wall. One popular myth is that the wall is visible from space. This is not true. While the wall is long, it is relatively narrow and blends in with the surrounding landscape. Another legend claims that the mortar used to bind the stones was made with human bones. This is also false. The mortar was a mixture of sticky rice and slaked lime, providing a strong bond between the bricks and stones. Section 6. Guardians of a legacy. The Great Wall faces many threats today. Pollution, erosion, and vandalism are all taking their toll. The Chinese government is working to protect and preserve the wall for future generations. Conservation efforts include limiting tourist access to certain areas, restoring damaged sections, and educating the public about the importance of preservation. The Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding universal value. Section 7. The Wall's Long Shadow. The Great Wall of China continues to fascinate and inspire people around the world. It is a testament to the human spirit and the power of collective effort. While its original purpose as a defensive structure has faded, its cultural significance remains strong. The wall reminds us of the challenges faced by past civilizations. It also stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and determination. As a UNESCO site, it is protected and appreciated for its historical and cultural value. Section 8. Visiting the Wall. Visiting the Great Wall is an unforgettable experience. Walking along the wall, one can imagine the lives of the soldiers who once guarded it. The views from the watchtowers are breathtaking. There are many different sections of the wall that are open to the public. Some sections are easily accessible, while others require more challenging hikes. No matter which section you choose to visit, you are sure to be impressed by the scale and grandeur of this incredible structure. Section 9. The enduring spirit of the wall. The Great Wall of China is more than just a wall. It is an enduring symbol of human history, ingenuity, and the power of collective effort. Its legacy continues to inspire awe and wonder in people around the world. Even today, as we marvel at its scale and grandeur, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of humanity to overcome obstacles and create lasting monuments that transcend time. The Great Wall serves as a potent symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage, captivating the imagination of generations to come.